Hello friends, this is Brijesh Panda and today I will be presenting our project that is door sanitizer. And the main motive of our project is to reduce the problems that are created by the spread of the viruses and diseases irrespective of the end of the COVID-19 and the production of the vaccines. As vaccines have been produced, but it is not certain that there will be no more diseases in the future. So, for having a better precaution, we are creating this solution that can be installed on any door at any level, that is in school or at religious places like temples, at public washrooms or in libraries, etc. So let us look into the problems that we see. First problem is the reopening of the school as we are school students, and that's our main concern. So there is less preparation time actually to tackle the entire population of the school. There is increasing spread of diseases. Now let us look into the reopening of our school, that is the main problem. So we have to take proper precaution even after vaccination. If I have, as I have told earlier, that even if there is vaccinations created, but still there is always chance of the spread of new viruses. As there is no preparation from the school to tackle such a big population, we have created this small project. The increasing spread of diseases in crowded places, irrespective of the how much precaution we take, there is still a chance of spread of the virus. So how we will be using this? So the washroom doors are the main source of these germs and diseases. These washroom doors are transmitters, and we have seen that 90% of the people open the washroom door with the help of food to tackle this problem, but this damages the door and hurts their leg. So what if we make the door germ free? That is, instead of giving germs, it would kill your germs. Then everybody can use the door handle without any fear. There will be no damage to the door or any hurting to your leg. Let us look into our solution that we have devised. That is a door sanitizer that is replaceable, low cost, and many more features. This is the sketch of our solution. We have combined the sanitizer with the door handle. You have, as here you can see the sanitizer holder, and these are clamps to fit it on the door. It can be fitted on any door irrespective of the type of handle it is having. So here is the sketch. We will be having a sanitizer bottle on the back with a cotton cloth and a thin plastic with holes in it. So what is different in this? We are having zero effort uses. That is, if you will pull the door, your hand will be automatically sanitized and there will be no more germs in your hands. It can fit in any door. It is low cost, easily replaceable, and it can have single hand uses. So these are the available products in the markets. Here you can see there is a woman pressing the door sanitizer with two of her hands, and that is a big problem as we can know. And the other product which is quite reliable but it's too much costly, that is around 5,000 rupees. This solution can eliminate many problems. Now, what if we got selected? We will then devise this as a product that can be launched in the market. We will look into to complete the prototype work, and we will find better alternative to cotton cloths, and we too have to conduct a microbial count as and then it will be market ready and we will scale it up for a larger population too. So thank you everyone, and